Hi, it's Daniel with J-Tech. Today a customer brought in Chevy S10 saying they're having some AC issues. What we're going to do first is we're going to check the resistance of the magnetic clutch, and also we're going to engage the magnetic clutch to make sure it is operating, that the clutch is working properly. First, I will set my multimeter to resistance, to ohms for resistance. When you do resistance, doesn't matter which ones you go to which, so I twist the red there, black here. I got resistance. Now I will engage the clutch to see if it is working. Red here. And what you want to see is this little here moves. That shows that the clutch will engage. So once I cut my power to it, we should see that move. You can see it is engaging. So the clutch is working properly. And we'll move on to the next diagnosis step. Anyway, from J-Tech, thank you.